Do you want to start exercising at home but don't know where to start? Welcome to the world of at-home exercise, a realm where convenience meets flexibility. Picture this: no commute, no waiting for equipment, and no expensive membership fees. Just you, your space, and your determination. Exercising at home offers a unique opportunity to mold your fitness routine around your life, not the other way around. Whether you're a morning bird or a night owl, you can sweat it out at a time that suits you best. And here's a secret: a great workout doesn't require a gym or even fancy equipment. It's all about using what you have and moving your body in ways that challenge and strengthen it. So, are you ready to swap your commute for comfort, your gym fees for flexibility, and your constraints for convenience? Good. You're about to embark on a fitness journey from the comfort of your home. Are you ready to kickstart your fitness journey? Here are some essential tips to get you started. First and foremost, setting realistic goals is crucial. It's tempting to aim for the stars, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start small and gradually increase your fitness targets. This way, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed and give up. Next, create a workout schedule. Consistency is the backbone of any successful fitness regime. Find a routine that fits your daily schedule and stick to it. An ideal routine is one that you can maintain in the long run. Lastly, find an exercise routine that you enjoy. Whether it's yoga, Pilates, or a brisk walk in the park, the best workout is the one that doesn't feel like work. When you enjoy what you're doing, you're more likely to continue. Remember, consistency is key, and your fitness journey should be enjoyable. Now let's dive into some simple exercises you can do at home. First up, we have squats, a fantastic exercise for strengthening your lower body. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Bend your knees and lower your body as if sitting back into a chair. Keep your chest up and your knees over your ankles. Then, push through your heels to return to standing. Aim for 2 sets of 10 repetitions. Next, we move on to lunges. These are great for targeting your legs and core. Stand tall, then take a step forward with one foot. Bend both knees to lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push through your front foot to return to standing, then repeat with the other foot. Again, aim for 2 sets of 10 repetitions. Now let's talk about push-ups, an excellent full-body exercise. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly underneath your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push back up to the starting position. If you're a beginner or have physical limitations, you can modify by doing push-ups on your knees or against a wall. Strive for 2 sets of 10 repetitions. Lastly, we have planks, a stellar workout for your core. Begin in a forearm plank position with your elbows directly beneath your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for as long as you can, aiming for at least 30 seconds. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold it, but maintaining the correct form. These exercises may seem simple, but they can be quite challenging, especially if you're new to fitness. The key is to start slow and gradually increase your intensity as your strength and endurance improve. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity when starting out. These exercises will help you build strength, improve flexibility, and burn calories. You've made the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. With the knowledge you've gained today, you're well on your way to creating a fitness routine that suits you and your home environment. We dove into essential fitness tips for beginners, and then we jumped into some simple yet effective at-home exercises. Remember, the key is consistency and patience. Don't feel disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Fitness isn't a quick fix. It's a lifelong commitment to your health and well-being. It's important to remember that everyone's body is unique and responds differently to exercise. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Celebrate every little progress. Each push-up, each squat, each breath you take during these exercises is a testament to your commitment to a healthier you. You're stronger than you think, and your potential is limitless. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing, keep sweating, and most importantly, keep having fun.